Welcome to the module on workload management. Here we will discuss about WLM timeout. Here, to limit the amount of time that queries in a given WLM queue are permitted to use, you can set the WLM timeout value for each queue. The timeout parameter specifies the amount of time in milliseconds that Amazon Redshift waits for a query to execute before either cancelling or hopping the query. The timeout is based on query execution time and doesn't include time spent waiting in the queue. Here you can see I have given a timeout of 3 minutes. Now I am running 5 queries. There are one query or 2 queries which are running for so long. Here in this case my query number 3 is stuck, whereas the other queries ran successfully. This query is running for more than 3 minutes. Then what happens to this? I have set this timeout. So this query will be cancelled or will be passed to a similar group where this query user belongs to, which has enough space to execute, or cancels. So the timeout is based on query execution time and doesn't include waiting time in the queue. Remember this. And apart from that, WLM timeout doesn't apply to the query that has reached the returning state, which means if you have a query and its execution has happened and the results are being returned to your client, then such queries will not get aborted or this timeout will not be applied to that. And there are certain statements like copy statements and maintenance operations such as analyze and vacuum are not subject to WLM timeout, because if you are copying a huge table, definitely it will take more than 3 minutes. So, and they will go for auto compression as well. So such queries won't go with WLM timeout and will continue to be there. Thank you.